Hello students. Today we're going to discuss chapter Panda. From there we'll be creating a series. We'll be also creating data frame and Numpy array as well. And then we'll contrast it. What is the difference, basic difference between the three? So that from the very beginning you understand that what is a series, what is a Numpy array, and what is a data frame. Okay, first we are creating here a blank series. Import panda as pd. Import pandas. So this module we have to import for doing series or data framework. So and giving the short name pd. So import pandas as pd. So next onwards, whenever we'll be calling a function of this module pandas, like series is a function of the module pandas, then we need not write a pandas dot series. We can write the small name pd. So import pandas as pd, then pd dot series is capital, remember. So pd dot series function will create the series, but here since data is not given, so it will be a blank series. So a blank series will be there. You can see a blank series here, and its data type by default is float. Okay, now because I have printed here print s, so that's why it is giving this output. Now I'll be creating a series. First here creating a series using the data like abcd. Okay, suppose here you can see that import pandas as ps. I've given the name here ps panda series, then import numpy as np. So here since we are creating an array from the numpy, so we are importing that module numpy. Now data equal to np dot array, and I have given the value here 1 2 3 4. Okay, a value is given within the list. So array will be created, numpy array will be created. Np numpy dot array, using the function array we are creating an array, numpy array. Okay, so creating numpy array here. Now print data. What it will do, print data, it will print the data, that is numpy array. You can see the printout here, but here you can see the printout here, numpy array printout here 1 2 3 4. This is the array, numpy array. I have given the value 1 2 3 4, so 1 2 3 4 was there. So creating nd array abcd here, I have given the numerical value. This also I'll do, I just change the value, I'll do abcd. Also we will see by giving this value. Let me here complete with 1 2 3 4 instead of this one, and then print data. Now I want to know the size of the array, then dimension of the array, shape of the array. So size and dem and shape. So data dot size, that is 4, because 4 elements are there. Size is 4. One dimension it is, so dimension ndim is 1, and their shape in one dimension 4 contents are there. So size is 4, so 4 is given there. Okay, now shape is there, 4 in one dimension, that 4 size is there, that is 4, and another dimension nothing is there. Then we can see the here what we have written is equal to ps dot c. So this is all about what we have seen is about the np array. And here instead of abcd, we can see here 1 2 3 4. I'll be changing this one in ABCD as well. Let me finish. So this is the ND NP NumPy array. So far we have created and we have seen the other things. NumPy array. Okay, fine. Now I want to create a series here. Just see that is equal to SP PS dot PS. We have done pandas as PS. So PS dot series is capital, and within bracket we have given the data is numpy array. So we're passing the numpy array here. So series, then data numpy array we have sent, and we are printing the series. Here you can see how the series come. This is the series. Automatically the indexing has come. 0 1 2 3 4 elements are there, and 1 2 3 4 are the content. 1 2 3 4 is the content, and this is the indexing part. So this is the difference, basic difference between an numpy array and then series. Series is getting the index here 1 0 1 2 3, and then their corresponding elements are there, and the by default data type is int64. Now when we see the other things like size, shape, dimension, then you can see the size, shape and dimension. Okay, so size is 4 elements are there. Shape you can see in the one direction, and there is 4 elements. Okay, so 4 is there. Then ndim, that is number of dimension, that is 1. Okay, and number of dimension, that is 1. Then that is s2, that is series name is s, and then we have given the index value 2. That means the content will be coming. So as2 2, in as2 there is 3, so 3 has come here. You just see as2, this is the series where s2, that is index value 2, is the value is 3. So yeah, here 3 has come. So s2 for this is s2, 3 has come, this one. And then s equal to s into 2, it is series multiply 2. That means all the elements will be multiplied by 2. And if you s equal to, so it will be replaced, the value will be replaced into the series itself by multiplying 2 with the each element. And then if you print s, you can see the result. So by multiplying 2, so 2 into 1 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So you can see here. Okay, so this is all about the series here. Okay, how the series has come. As an input we have given the numpy array. First we have created numpy array, then we have created series and passed the numpy array. So this is the series, how it looks. This is the array, how it looks, and then its size, then its shape, its dimension, then s2 or value is 3 here. Then we have multiplied s equal to s into 2, so all the elements are multiplied by 2, and by default a series elements are numerical type. Now next we have created the data frame here. So you can see data frame. In that case, what we have done, the df equal to ps dot data frame, ps, that is panda. So panda dot data frame bracket, within bracket we have sent the series here now, and that series was having 2 4 6 and 8. So that value we have sent here as a series, and we are giving the column name as col1. Okay, now if you print the df, so what it will happen, you have sent the series, then you have, so this is the data frame column 1, and this value has come here. You have given, we have given the name col1. So the column name and 2 4 6 8, the value has come. Index value automatically has come 0 1 2 3. Now this data frame, if I want to know the size, shape and dimension, then you can see the data frame. So size is 4, of course. The shape is here 4, and by one column is there, 4 rows are there, so 4 comma 1, 4 rows are there and one column is there, so 4 comma 1. And then 2, mm, that is in dimension is how many ndim, that is dimension. So 2 dimensions because rows and columns, so 2 has come. This is how the data frame looks like. So this is data frame. This is, and there is a difference between the size as well. Then this is series. How does it look, and how an array looks like? So that within the one program we try to understand. Okay, thank you. One more thing I want to tell that here I have changed the value ABCD instead of 1 2 3 4 as it is written here. So you can see the effect here. One ABCD array is created. Okay, earlier it was 1 2 3 4. Now it is ABCD. So ABCD is created here, and due to this statement like s equal to s into 2, because in the series also I have put that data numpy array ABCD, so that is created, but s into a is equal to s into 2, so a into a, that is a will be there. So that here it you can see this is the series it was created ABCD. Then after s into 2, now it is like a b b c c d d. So that is there, and that we have sent again as a data frame. So data frame, that's why in the data frame also A B B C C D D as a content is there. Now if I change this statement, if I don't write this statement, like if I give the comment line here, just wait here, I just give the comment line. Okay, so you will find that let me run. Now it is ABCD, again it is ABCD. Okay, and in data frame also it is ABCD, because I have removed that one by giving the comment line is equal to s into 2. So a b b c c dt will not happen, only abcd will be there. So thank you very much for this one.